So what we're going to be doing here is now that we've been able to register and get the user's information, let's see how we can actually display this user information on screen. So let's do that first. First off, we're going to actually have to set up another useState. So we're going to have to manage or see which user is actually logged in. And what we're going to actually do is, let's see, we will use on-auth state changed. We'll save that. And we're just going to make sure we handle the users as they log in. So we're actually going to also have to import React from React at the top here. And then we'll go back down here, and what we're going to do is actually manage the user that is logged in by using useEffect. And based on the user that's logged in, we're going to have to check for authentication and look for or grab the current user. Then we will set the user to whatever current user we have grabbed. And we want to make sure this only runs once, so we put those brackets, the square brackets there. And you can read or you can watch more videos on the useEffect, different functionalities or how you can use useEffect. I'll leave more links down in the description box below. So let's go down here, and we're going to let's clean up this form that we have so far, and let's do a const handle submit. And after each user has registered or logged in, we want to be able to clear the form. So here on this form here, on submit, we want to be able to just call handle submit, because what it's going to do is it's just going to clear and reset that form, so then it just gets empty. And let's now actually do the area where we can actually see who's logged in. So we're going to do user !email because we want to grab the user's email on whoever's logged in, but that question mark is just a shorthand form in saying, is that user really logged in? Double check to make sure they are and make sure they have some sort of data. And we're not going to set up the button just yet for logging out, but let's just save that and double check to see what we have so far. So I just have to make sure I put that as useState, not user state. useState. Make sure this is useState up here. Save it. So I am going to go incognito mode. So right here, user logged in. Nobody's logged in yet. Let's actually just register someone new. So new@new.com and just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Register user. And you can see here the user who's logged in right now is new@new.com. And if we double check the database, it should be here in our database as well when we refresh it. And you can see right here we got new@new.com. So make sure you have this sign-in method enabled so your email and password is set up by adding the new provider. Make sure these two are set up here so it works for you. But you can see here that based on whoever is logged in right over here, we can now track and see who's actually logged in. And we can just grab whatever information that we want based on whatever data is provided to us. Right now, I just wanted to grab the email just to test it out and make sure it's working.